I'm Kanako.
I'm Jennifer Thomas.
I'm Lieve Vosmar.
I'm Carmen and I am an original.
bareMinerals is definitely my go-to product.
肌に身につけるものや口にするものにとても気を使うようになりました。
Clean beauty is so important to me.
Being just very mindful of what I put on my skin.
It literally transformed my skin.
Felt beautiful again, I felt confident again. I feel it, but other people can see it too.
It makes me so much more confident.
I can just put my makeup on and not get bullied for the way I look.
I never found anything that worked for me before.
I felt like I could finally wear makeup again and feel confident in it.
And it covers everything that's wrong with my skin.
The red was gone.
I looked in the mirror and I actually felt like a princess.
I am an original.
I'm an original.
I'm an original.
I'm Lisa, and I am an original.